Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a landing page on Mailchimp. So first things first, you have to go to mailchimp.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for free. Here on your account, what you're going to do is go to audience first and then add your contacts, like import your contacts right here if you have. So you can just import or you can add one by one. After that, you can now go to campaign, and then this time you have to click on or tap on get started, create. Then you will have your option, three options. So you have to look for landing page, tap on landing page. Once done, you need to add the name of your landing page. So you have to add here or give your page a name and then select the template. So basically, you can choose from any of the template. Let's just say, let's select this lead generation template. Now proceed. Wait for a couple of seconds and it will take you directly to the customizing landing page. So use the drag and drop editor to add. Here you can add headline, text block, images or product photos, sign up form or call to action button. If you want to help from ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT for a help, for a concise or whatever you want to add here. So just add the text headline. This is the sample. So here I have added the headline, the also the subscribe now, the button. You will see here samples of blocks and all you have to do is to drag and drop. So add your logo, write clear benefit driven copy, use high quality visual if you have. Then once you have added the content or everything here, then you can now proceed. So basically, I have added here like a semi form that I need the name, the address or phone number. You can add it right here in the content. I also add the button like subscribe. You can also add here about us. Everything is up to you. You can see the block here. You just have to drag and then add the detail or information. So once done, you can now save this and basically publish this one. Once you publish this, what you're going to do is just copy the URL or the link and then share it to anywhere you wish. So basically, that's how easy it is to create a landing page on Mailchimp. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.